Oh. Welcome back to the channel. Waking up to a Snorlax GX box. Gonna open this up with me. Wake up, wake up. I hope I got a GX and EX card in here. Oh dang, I really feel like I was just asleep. That was some great acting skills, you know? Opening this box here, I should get a Grammy for that. Oh. There we go. Slide to the left. Alright. We got a old school holographic Snorlax right there in the front. Bam. If you're an 80s baby, you've seen that card before. They ain't seen it if they knew. That's the old school Snorlax. And then we got the new school Snorlax. GX. Bam. Extra fat. He done had like 3 kids. Collapse and thunderous snore. That sounds scary. Takes 180, so yeah, probably is scary. So old school, new school. Then we got the Mondo size Snorlax. He's had 18 Happy Meals and some Burger King. He's fat. Those cards there. Then you got 4 booster packs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the code giveaway, as always, is capital VXPWMPWKTZ WK9. Pause the video if you didn't hear that. Alright. We got a Mewtwo Breakthrough, Fates Collide, Evolutions, and another Evolutions. Opening the first pack. What do we have? Something special? Maybe. Chespin, Rufflet, Woobat, Pansear, Holographic Smeargle, the painter of the year. See that star there? He is Picasso. Bravery, Starvia, Professor's Letter, and Spoopa. Alright. Next pack is going to include in it a Cottony, Riolu, Volibee, Coughing, Spoink, Holographic Zygarde, Marowak, Wormadam, Trainer Fossil Evacuation Kit, and a Fairy Garden Trainer card. Third pack is going to have inside of it no EXs or GXs outside the Snorlaxes, just do that. We have a Poliwag, a Grass Energy, a Rattata, a Vulpix, an Electabuzz, a holographic Voltorb, and holographic old school Gyarados. Whoa, that's dope art. You see, it's like purple, blue, black, white. Gyarados is all types of colors there. It's nice. Dragon Rage 180. Phew, doing some damage. Charmeleon, Trainer Charizard, Spirit Link, and a Poliwhirl. Still no GXs or EXs yet, but some old school classes I didn't expect, so I'll take those any day. Also, the last pack is gonna have inside of it a Rattata, a Vulpix, an Electabuzz, a Magikarp, a Ghastly, a Blastoise Spirit Link, Arcanine, a Trainer Energy Retrieval, a Nidorino, and a double colorless energy. And I had 5 dollar store packs I was gonna open with this as well. Just 10, heighten my chances of getting some rare cards. Noibat, holographic Vanillite, Floatstone. We have here Shelder, Shiftry, Luxio. And here we have Blitzel, Ferroseed, Palpitoad, and the last 2. Growlithe, Esper, Lapras, and the final pack will have it a Tempo, a Meowstic, and a Max Potion. So those are all the cards that was released in the Snorlax GX box. Pretty much the only GX cards I got with Snorlax. But I did get some rare old school hollows that I'm pretty happy with. So overall, not dissatisfied with the box. I'll take it for what it is. And thank you. Subscribe, like, and follow the other videos.